It's back to school time, and I'd like to take a moment to update you on the work of our region. Hello, I am Dr. Judy Minor, America's Region Director for Student Excellence at the Department of Defense Education Activity, or DoDEA. So many wonderful things have happened this last school year. That's why I'm bringing you the 2023 State of the Americas. Our dedication to the DoDEA mission to educate, engage, and empower our military-connected students to succeed in a dynamic world is the driver for our work across DoDEA Americas, which spans 50 schools located at 16 different installations across 7 states, Puerto Rico, and Cuba. Additionally, per the 2021 National Defense Authorization Act, DoDEA Americas has expanded its eligibility at 4 installations to support military and family readiness by increasing access to its schools. At these 4 pilot sites, eligible students living outside the gate can apply to attend DoDEA schools, given space availability. Our work is guided by the DoDEA Blueprint for Continuous Improvement, whereby school, district, and region leaders align their efforts in support of DoDEA's pursuit of student, school, talent, and organizational excellence. Speaking of excellence, I thought you would like to know more about how our system compares with others in the United States. We educate more than 20,000 students with the support of about 3,000 teachers, support staff, and educational aides. Our graduates are ready for success in a dynamic world. We graduated 100% of our students, with 58% of them heading to college. They take with them an impressive $9 million in scholarships. 7 are headed to a military academy, and another 29 are enlisting in service. I am most proud of DoDEA's status as the #1 school system in the nation, according to the NATE findings, or the nation's report card. Our 4th and 8th graders scored top honors in both mathematics and literacy. I'm also excited about the new school year, and I hope you are too. As we gear up, here are a few highlights of things to come. Given the impacts of the pandemic, DoDEA is specifically focusing on how to address the needs of the whole child, which includes academic, social, emotional, and behavioral aspects. Using a multi-tiered system of supports, or MTSS, schools are committed to providing additional classroom, group, and individualized support for students who may need additional assistance or enrichment. Furthermore, teachers will be receiving additional training on high-quality instructional practices to advance student engagement and result in academic success. To better keep our stakeholders in the loop, DoDEA has upgraded its website and is putting in place a cadre of school news liaisons to share all the great news happening at each of our schools. Our community superintendents continue to grow our partnerships with the military services, their medical facilities, and with the U.S. Coast Guard. We're proud our students have been able to extend their learning opportunities with NASA, Vanderbilt University's Brain Institute, and the Eastern North Carolina Regional Skills Center, to name a few. Speaking of great partners, we are always looking for substitute teachers and educational aides to serve in our schools. If you know someone who'd be great, please send them our way. I hope you will join us in celebrating our work. When DoDEA succeeds, our students succeed as well. And you too play an important role in that success. It takes all of us working together to support our military-connected children and families. Thank you for all you do to advance excellence in education for every student, every day, everywhere. I'm proud of our success as a school system and am thankful for the extraordinary efforts of all our stakeholders to support educating our military-connected students.